In your time at Taleo now, how do you see leadership development, and more so on the strategy time that you spend versus the tactical execution? So we were talking with Tom about the fast pace of high tech and specifically around SaaS. So how do you deal with that in your leadership style at Taleo?
I think the speed at which a SaaS organization moves is obviously much faster than an on-premise vendor, and certainly much faster than a hardware vendor, where I spent 3.5 years before joining Taleo. So the speed at which everything moves is very, very different. At the same time, the business challenges are the same. And one of the things that I am very passionate about is making sure that you make deliberate time for strategy, for development, and also for innovation. Because those things aren't going to happen on their own. The tactics will happen. Things will move forward. The operational parts of the business tend to get into a rhythm and a cadence. But the strategic thinking, the innovation within an organization, and the development of people doesn't happen by itself. And so setting aside deliberate time to do that, whether it's anything from making sure that staff meetings once a week are divided up amongst operational topics versus strategic topics, or taking time out to do innovation, giving team members the time to think, the time to strategize about a specific business problem or an innovative technology is really important. One of the things that we're doing right now at Taleo, which I think is interesting, is doing an innovation sensation contest, where we're actually opening it up not just to our engineers, but to the entire company for coming up with innovative ideas that we can apply to the business. And that's just a deliberate tactic at doing something that doesn't happen on its own.
Right.